Did you know your credit score controls your financial life? It affects whether you get approved for loans, credit cards, apartments, and even some jobs, yet most people don't understand how it works. If your credit score is low, average, or you're just starting, this video is for you. In 2026, good credit isn't optional anymore, it's essential. Today I'll show you simple credit score secrets that can help you move toward an 800+ FICO score, even as a beginner. Today I'll show you simple credit score secrets that can help you move toward an 800+ FICO score, even as a beginner. No confusing words, no fake hacks, just real steps that actually work. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Credit results vary by individual situation. Always consult a certified financial professional or credit counselor before making financial decisions. What is a credit score? A credit score is a number between 300 and 850. It tells lenders how responsible you are with money. Think of it like your financial reputation. Higher score means lower risk. Lower score means higher risk. FICO scores are calculated using 5 main factors. 1. Payment history. 35%, the most important part. This is simply about paying your bills on time. Every time you make a payment late, especially more than 30 days late, your credit score takes a hit. Even one missed payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. And that mistake can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. Credit bureaus don't care how much you paid, they care when you paid. If you want strong credit, this rule is simple. Pay every bill on time, every single month. Auto pay, reminders, calendar alerts, use whatever helps. This one habit alone can move your score more than anything else. 2. Credit utilization, 30%, your secret weapon. This measures how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if your credit card limit is $1,000 and your balance is $700, you're using 70% of your credit, and that looks risky to lenders. FICO prefers that you use less than 30% of your limit. For excellent scores, aim for under 10%. So with a $1,000 limit, 30%, $300, 10%, $100. Here's a powerful trick most people don't know. Pay your card before the statement closing date, not just before the due date. That keeps your reported balance low and can boost your score quickly. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. Time matters. This looks at how long you've been using credit. The older your accounts, the better. That's why beginners struggle, they simply don't have history yet. Important rule, don't close your oldest credit card unless it has annual fees. Old accounts help raise your average credit age, which helps your score. If you're just starting, open a secured card, or become an authorized user on a trusted person's card, then let time do its job. Credit is a marathon, not a sprint.
4. Credit mix, 10%. Variety helps. Credit mix means having different types of credit, like credit cards, auto loans, student loans, personal loans. You don't need all of these, but lenders like to see that you can manage more than just one type. If you only have credit cards, that's okay, just manage them well. Over time, adding another type of account, naturally, not forced, can help. 5. New credit, 10%. Go slow. Every time you apply for credit, lenders do a hard inquiry. Each inquiry slightly lowers your score. Opening many accounts in a short time makes you look risky. Rule of thumb: don't apply for multiple cards or loans back to back. Space applications out. Be intentional. Only apply when you truly need credit. If you master these 5 things, you master your credit. Real-life example. Let's use a simple example. Sarah starts with a 580 score. She opens a secured card with a $300 limit. She spends only $30 monthly. She pays on time every month. After 6 months, her score rises above 650. After 1 year, she reaches 700. After 2 years, she's close to 760. No tricks, just discipline. That's how real credit growth happens. Fast boost strategies for 2026. Here are proven ways to improve faster. Pay balances early. Ask for credit limit increases. Dispute errors on your credit report. Become an authorized user. Keep old accounts open. Avoid unnecessary credit applications. These strategies work. They are simple, but most people don't follow them.
Final mindset shift. Your credit score is not about income, it's about behavior. You don't need to be rich, you need consistency. Small, smart actions every month change your financial future. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to EduTech Finance channel for beginner-friendly money education. Comment 800 if you're starting your credit journey. Your future self will thank you.